I. When you're learning Italian, you may see combinations like this or that. Well, surely it is hard to pronounce a G followed by a consonant. And it can't be like gne or gle. Now, you would be relieved to know that these are the only two combinations with a consonant following a G. But let's see how are they pronounced. Ciao a tutti e benvenuti al Facile come Italiano. Hello everybody, welcome to Easy as Italian. And so you all know about these things, but the problem is today I've got a bad cold, and well, not today, many days ago. I don't know why it's not going away. My throat is destroyed. As you can see, I can barely speak. My throat is destroyed. So take your time, value this session, and enjoy it. The thing is, we want to talk about the combinations of G, and the first one is GN. Now, how can we pronounce that? Well, we said G sounds like J or G depending on what comes after that. If it is followed by the softeners that are E or E, it would be J. By any other letter, it would be G. So here it would be G. No, it has no sound here. When it comes before N, G would lose its voice, and the only thing it does is affecting. What does it affect? It affects on N. What is N sound? Ne. Easy. Now, what is the effect? Well, I guess if I tell you just the words you already know, you may get the difference and also the effect. For example, you all know this, right? Lasagna. Lasagna. Or this one, gnocchi. Gnocchi. So lasagna and gnocchi. And if you are still mispronouncing them, let me continue explaining. Well, G, I said, is affecting on N. What is the effect? It makes N beautiful. How does it make it beautiful? Well, you just have to put some stress on N. Say N. I can make it so well because my nose is blocked, but you try your best. N. And then in the end, I want you to have a curve at the end of it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay? Nye, nye, nye. Okay? So it would be like lasagna or gnocchi. Now, for more examples, I got you. We have agnello. Agnello. This guy's like just super cute. Just look at him. Agnello. So cute. Or I have new. New. Well, this one is not that cute, but still, it's a glorious creature. New. New. And the last one I've got gnomo. This one's gnomo. Alright? Well, I guess in some countries they know them as leprechaun. Gnomo. Now, after that, let's go for GL. I would explain more, don't worry. For GL, what does we do? What do we do? Well, again, sorry. It's going so bad down here. Now for GL, it's the same as GN. The G is silent, it has no sound, it's lost its voice. What does it do? Effects on L. What is L sound? Le. Now, the same thing goes here. You put this stress on L. L. Okay? But you don't complete it. Don't finish L. When you are saying L, you have le, a hit of your tongue. I don't want that hit. I want you to throw that hit away. Just okay? And try to get your tongue as close as possible to the roof of your mouth. Put some pressure on that. L, l. That's better. Now, l is the sound of this combination, and it's always, always, always followed by e, and only e. There can be no other letter after that. So it would be y, y, y. Okay? For example, we have aglio, aglio, aglio. Or we can have figlio or figlia, boy and girl. Just be careful. This is not anyone's boy or girl. It's like son and daughter. It's just yours. Don't go out and say figlia to the girl of the people. It's rude. Figlio, figlia, aglio. Okay? Just try to get the hang of aglio, figlio, figlia. It's easy after sometimes. At the first it may be a little hard till you get the hang of it. Now at the end I just wanted to tell you two more words that may be a little hard to differentiate. Well, they all have the GN combination in them, but let's just, before I say them, tap the subscribe button and also like the video. You got one teacher, you don't want to lose this one. Now, the words are this and that. What's the difference? Well, this one's compagna, this one's compagnia. The thing is, here you put the stress on E. Here you put the stress on N, and then is followed by a quick A. So, compagnia, compagnia, and compagna, compagna. Alright? Compagnia, compagna. Like my throat wasn't enough and now I got hiccups. Stay healthy and practice. Ciao.